Hi, today we see how to assemble the Roborock Q7 Max Plus vacuum cleaner with this station. So as you can see, I have already unpacked everything, and here is what you get in the box. So you have the vacuum, the dock that comes in two parts, a plastic cover, a dust bag, the power cord, and finally 6 small screws. The screws use a small Phillips head. They need to be used to attach the two parts of the dock, so it goes on top like this. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes for the screws. Now that the screws have been tightened, we can flip the station over and attach the power cord. Now that this is taken care of, we can go into the software. So in the package there is this paper with a QR code that you can scan to get the Roborock application. Now in here we have to make an account, and now on the vacuum itself there is a hidden QR code under this top cover here that you can use to add the device to your account. Now for the pairing you'll have to hold down these two buttons on the side.
Réinitialisation du Wi-Fi en cours.
And now just do the rest of the steps that are on the screen. It's quite straightforward. And now we have it in the app. But so that's it for this video. I hope it was useful to you. If that's the case, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.